Hello and welcome to our market analysis. Let's take a look at the Euro US dollar. We are looking at a slightly uptrend after the MACD divergence that we had here with a very long pin bar. That was a clear indication of a trend reversal, so the price reversed up, and we will be looking for long entries now around this support level. So if the price retraces back here and gives us a setup, we will look to go long, and we will also monitor the price, how it behaves around this resistance level for potential short entries. At this time we do not have a clear entry. For those of you who are long from the inside bar here from the previous setup, you can stay long with a protective stop below the low and below the level here, and a potential profit target around this high, anywhere between this high and the next resistance level. At the Australian dollar, similarly, we had a MACD divergence here, and we had an inside bar with a reversal bar. Again, that was a clear indication of a trend reversal. So those of you who are long from the point here, you can stay long or start looking for taking some profits. We had a strong reversal up, and at this point we will be looking still for long entries in case the price reverses around this support level and gives a setup. And we will also monitor how the price behaves above that level. We expect to see some resistance on this level. It comes from here all the way here, so the price will find some resistance here, but most probably will continue up because we see we have a new trend up with all the lines open to the upside. So we would expect the price to reach the previous high, and then we will look here if we get a MACD divergence, if we get any end of trend indications, and we will consider some shorts. But at this time we will also be looking for long entries, retracement and long entries. On the British pound US dollar, we are looking at an uptrend, and we had an inside bar here that broke, and we had a break of the level with the setup, so that was a valid long entry. So going long from here, you can add a protective stop below the low of the bar here, and your profit target should be anywhere from here up to the next strong resistance level. So at this time we also get a pin bar which confirms the continuation of the uptrend, so we can stay long if we're already long, and monitor the price for taking some profit. Otherwise we'll be looking for more long setups as the price retraces back below this level and anywhere down to this level. So if we get another setup, we will consider another long entry. Other than that, we will be expecting the price to reach the next resistance level here and see how it behaves. On the US dollar Japanese yen, the price is moving downwards, and we had a retracement back at this level. We had an inside bar that was a clear short entry. We had a bounce on this level with a clear inside bar setup for going short here with a protective stop above the level and above this bar. And the price has moved really down, so at this point we should be looking for taking profits. So we should be taking profits anywhere from this point down here, and we would expect the price to find resistance at this level, and we will be looking here for end of trend indications for a potential long entry, but that would be a risky entry, so we need to be very careful. Other than that, we'll still be looking for short setups anywhere above this level and this level. So if the price retraces above this level, then we will be looking for more short entries. On the British pound Japanese yen, the price moves rather sideways. Looks like an uptrend is developing, and the lines, the averages have opened to the upside, and the price reached this level, retraced back, and we will be looking for potential long setup here. So if we get a long setup, we will consider taking that as a long signal, since the price has retraced and we have reached this level and we have some indication of a new uptrend. And we will also be monitoring how the price behaves up this level in case we want to consider some short trades. But at this time we would prefer a long entries anywhere from here down to here. Notice also here that we had an inside bar that broke below the low of the bar, and now the price retraced back inside the pattern. So this is a reversal bar pattern, and it is a valid long entry. So we could enter long at the high of the bar with a protective stop, probably at the low of this bar, and a potential profit target close to the previous high, just below the next level. And that would be a very nice 2-to-1 profit to risk trade. So this is a trade we would certainly consider. Looking at the New Zealand dollar, we have a clear strong uptrend that started from the break of this inside bar. But the inside bar here that broke above a significant level, so that initiated the new trend up. We had a confirmation with a pin bar breaking the price breaking above the pin bar, and again now another pin bar with a price breaking above the pin bar. So we have a clear uptrend and we have no indication of an end of trend yet. So we will be looking only for long entries at this point. For example, if the price retraces anywhere around this level, giving a setup, we will consider going long. Looking at the gold chart, the price has found strong resistance here on this very significant level. So the trend is down, and we will be looking for potential reversal, but we do not have an end of trend indication yet. Because the price hasn't made a divergence with a MACD, and we will be also looking for potential short entries if we break below this level. So if we get any setup with a break below this very strong level, we will go short. We will also go short if the price reverses back at this level and gives us a setup. At this point we do not have any end of trend indication yet, so we will not be taking long trades. At the crude oil, we would expect some resistance around this strong resistance level. So as the price approaches this level, we would consider going short for a potential price reversal. And we will be looking for long entries if the price retraces below this level. So from here down to here, we will consider taking a long entry. On the S&P, the price is moving up. We do not have a MACD divergence yet, so we do not have a clear end of trend indication. We will be looking if the price reaches higher level giving a MACD divergence, we might consider a short entry, but at this time we will be looking for long entries as the price reverses back to this level or lower. So if we get any setups, any long setups below this level, we will consider taking long entries. On the Nasdaq, again the trend is slightly up and also sideways, And here we had a minor divergence from here to here with a MACD divergence. So we might consider some short entries if the price reaches this level or higher, and take a careful short entry with a protective stop above this level. This is a risky trade because we'll be going against the major trend, and we will also be looking for long entries if the price retraces below this level. So from here down to here we can look for potential long setups. On the Australian index, we had a strong trend up that started from the pin bar here, and the price has moved really higher, and we have approached the resistance level here, but we do not have any end of trend indication, so we'll be only looking for long entries at this time. So if the price retraces anywhere around this the previous level, we will be looking to go long. Similar situation with DAX, the German index. We had a strong move up after the price reached these strong support levels with a pin bar, and the price reversed, gave another long pin bar, and broke again above the pin bar, showing a strong trend continuation. And now we have reached the previous strong resistance level, so would expect the price here to find some resistance, but everything points upwards, so we do not have any divergence or anything yet, so we'll be only looking for long entries. So we'll be monitoring the price. If reverses around this level or lower and gives us a long setup, we will take it to go long. That's it for today. Thank you all for watching, and I wish you a happy trading.